Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we'll be talking about multiple inheritance. So in our previous examples of module or even the previous example of inheritance, what we were doing is we have a class that is our base class or our parent class, and then we were passing that particular class into our child class, that is square and triangle. And remember the rule of inheritance, that is a. So square is a polygon, triangle is a polygon. What if we have another class called shape and we want to inherit the functionality of that class also? So yeah, we can do that with the help of inheritance. So what we can do is we can actually inherit the functionality of two class. But remember, we need to follow is a rule. So square is a shape, triangle is a shape. If that case, that rule is fine, then we can inherit the functionalities of our shape class. So let us do that. We have two options, either we do everything in our single file or we can use our module system, that is multiple files and then working on main file. Let me do with module system so you will be comfortable. So let me get back to my main file and now we have to create a new file called shape. So I'm adding a sample code. All I have to do is I'm adding a sample code. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a class called shape. And here I am defining a private attribute called color and will assign a none value to it, and then I will define setter and getter. That's done. A simple code in which I have added color, setter, getter, that's done. So what I have to do is I have to open my child class, that is my square and my triangle. At currently I am inheriting my one class, that is my polygon. Here also I am inheriting my polygon. Now I want to inherit that shape class. So let us do that. Firstly, all I have to do is from shape, I need to import my shape class. And if I have to inherit my second class, all I have to do is pass my second parent class into my child class. Looks good. So I have added shape here. Let me do that here also. So what I have done is I have inherited my parent class into child class. So now I can call the methods of shape class and also can use its attribute. Let us try that. So in my main file, here what I am doing is I am just setting the value. Now I can also set colors. So all I have to do is use s1 dot. Now you can see I have get color, I have get height, get width, set color, set value. So yeah, let me set color and let me pass a color. I can also do the same for my triangle. Looks good, but remember I have to call get function to print that. For that, let me call here my get function. Now again for my triangle, just call my get function, that would be fine. Looks good. Let me try to run this one and see if I'm getting any error. If not, let me explain this one once again. So I'm getting an error that there is one required positional argument for color. So all I have to do is go to my main, line number 7, check out my get color file. Oops. So into my get color, I was trying to pass an argument which was not required since I'm just returning a value that is available inside my class. It should be fine. Let me run this one again. Looks good. I got a value of 120, then blue, then 25, then green. So that's the concept of inheritance. Let me clear this up once again. So what we are doing right now is we have two parents. One is polygon and one is shape. And now the child wants to get functionality of both. That is, square is a shape, square is a polygon. Triangle is a shape, triangle is a polygon. So from our polygon class, we were playing with height and width, that is getting an area. And from our shape class, we were just getting color. So that's all we were doing. So I have inherited shape class into my square class, which give access to object of square class to play with color, that is set color and get color. I hope you understand this. These are small examples, so we are playing only with 1-2 function. Actually importing module means we can play with 20, 50, hundreds of functions. So at this point of time, you might be thinking that why we are not writing into a single file. It's because you should get a habit of arranging your code. So we can do that same thing into a single file and it would work exactly same. In the next lecture, we will be talking about super function. So see you in the next one.